the start. Chivers sitting back, taking a little power nap. Ooh, but Spigot having a hard time with that first turn. And I think Chivers got him. So now it's Chivers in the lead. They're back and forth. They're trading pace. They're swapping spit. Get away! Oh, Spigot's undone out there after getting a really good start. And Chivers able to come through. Oh, almost puked right there. That wasn't good. Come on, Chivers. He brings it in after his final donut. Spigot's all over the place, man. Come on, Spigot, pull it in.